Hi, welcome back to Cook Love, they'll say. Today we'll be making crunchy choco chip cookies. Let's take 120 grams of butter. Whisk it for a minute and then add a cup of caster sugar or powdered sugar. Slowly add it to the bowl and cream it with the butter. Add 3/4 cup of brown sugar in the same way and keep whisking continuously. If you don't have an electric blender, you can easily use a hand whisker. Scrape the bowl properly and whisk again till you have a fluffy, smooth cream. If you really like our recipe, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future exciting recipes. Now add 1 egg and then shift in 2 cups of refined flour, half teaspoon of baking soda and salt as per your taste. Mix them well. It is very important to shift in the flour as this will make your cookies more light and airy. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it and give it a dough shape. Refrigerate it till it is hard. Add 100 grams of choco chips and mix it well with the dough. Take a spoonful of dough and with the help of your palm, give it a round shape. Repeat this process and place it directly on your baking tray and freeze them. When they are frozen, take them out and place them in the oven. Bake them in cookie mode and set the temperature at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Look how the cookies are taking their lovely shape. They look almost ready. Yes, let's take it out of the oven. The smell of freshly baked cookies are irresistible. They look perfect. These homemade cookies can be an all-time snack for your family and especially your kids. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.